In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix YouTube lagging on your PC step by step. YouTube lagging can occur due to issues like browser problems, hardware limitations, or internet connection issues. Follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Use an online speed testing tool such as speedtest.net to check your internet speed. Recommended speeds are for 720 pixel videos at least 5 MBs per second, and for 4K videos, the internet speed should be at least 20 Mbps. Restart your router or modem if your internet speed is slower than expected. Step 2. While watching a video, click the gear icon in the video player. Set the video resolution to 720 pixel or 480 pixel to reduce buffering. High-resolution videos require more bandwidth and processing power. Step 3. Open your browser and search for updates, like Update Chrome for Google Chrome. Download and install the latest version from the official website. If the issue persists, try switching to another browser like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Brave. Step 4. Open your browser's extensions or settings menu. Disable or remove non-essential extensions, especially those you rarely use. Extensions can slow down your browser and cause playback issues. Step 5. Click the three-dot menu in your browser top right corner. Go to Settings. Go to System, enable the Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart your browser to apply changes. Hardware acceleration improves video decoding and reduce lag. Step 6. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, temporarily disable it and check if the lagging issue is resolved. Step 7. From YouTube's website, locate the download option. If available, install the YouTube app on your Windows system. Apps are often better optimized for video playback than browsers. If the lag persists, it might be a temporary issue with YouTube's servers or your ISP. Contact your internet service provider if you experience ongoing network problems.